In this video, I'm going to show you how to approve sign-in requests using Passkey. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, the best way to do this is to head on over to account.microsoft.com and click on the blue sign-in button. Then from here, we want to go ahead and choose a sign-in options. That can be email, phone, Skype. So click onto that, click on your password. And now once we do this, it's gonna, a little Windows key is gonna appear like so. So we can choose a passkey. We can use iPhone, iPad or Android device or security key. So for this, I'm gonna use my iPhone, iPad or Android device. So I've got a Galaxy. So I'm gonna go ahead and scan this with my mobile device. So I'm just gonna get my phone up. Now I'm gonna go ahead and scan that like so. And then it says here, use passkey to sign in. Now the screen's gone blank, but what I'm going to do is click on the sign in button there. I'm going to use then click allow. Then from here, I'm going to go ahead and then it might say here, help protect your account. So I'm just going to go skip for now, but that's how to sign in using your passkey.